Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to this video. This is the final update of getting two of my Calibras to the 2022 Vboa rally. Now in my last video you would have seen that the C4 LTW and also the Turbo both made it down to simply Vauxhall. Both of them are MOT'd, both of them ready to go. The Turbo needed new fuel lines, it needed quite a bit of work to do, but it got a MOT the day before Simply Vauxhall. It was worth it because it very nearly almost won People's Choice Award, which I was very pleased about. Now, in this video, I said I was going to test a new product called Zirconite. Well, a range of products from Zirconite actually. However, as you can see, both of them aren't actually really that dirty, so it wouldn't really be that good of a test. However, there is one that is dirty. That one. Come on. Didn't think I'd leave the SE9 out now, did you? Yes, the SE9 is back. The last 2 weeks it's had a ridiculous amount of work done on it to get it to the Vboa rally. It's had an awful lot of welding work done on it, but it is now, once again, rust-free mostly, and solid. And it's got a full MOT and it's had an oil and filter change, so she is ready to go. I drove it back down here from Wolverhampton last night and she absolutely sang. However, what you probably can't see from that shot, but in these overlay shots, these close-ups, is just how filthy this thing is. It's been sat under a cover for the best part of 9 months outdoor, which means that some of the UV rays have got through and have turned it a bit pink, and I haven't got a machine polisher at the moment, so I'm going to have to do my best by hand. And I'm testing a new range of products called Zirconite. They contacted me a few weeks ago, asked me if I'd like to try a few of their products, which is what I'm going to try on this. So if you want to see the results of that, you can see this car on the Club Calibra Stand at Vboa tomorrow. And if you didn't make it there and you didn't see it, I will link the video to the Vboa rally up here as soon as it's available. To clean the car then, I'm using this range from Zirconite. I'm going to start with some leather cleaner and some interior trim detailer because the inside of it's absolutely filthy from being in the garage. So that'll be the first step. Also give it a bit of a hoover. Then I'm going to try their Snow Foam Plus and their Wash and Wax shampoo. I'm going to put this on first, then rinse it off, then put more of that on and a bucket of that to give them a good old go. The Express detailer I'm going to take to the show with me tomorrow, but also I'm hoping to use that on the two that are in the garage just to get them spruced up. This ZG365 is sort of like a sealant that goes on there. I'm not sure if I'm going to put that on there yet or not because I'm a bit disappointed with how faded the paintwork is. I might see if I can get a machine polisher first. Then once we've done all of that, I'm going to do the wheel cleaner. I'm going to try some of the fallout remover, which I'm also going to spray on the paintwork as well, see if there's any blemishes that we can get out, and then finally top it off with some glass cleaner. So these are all the products that I'm going to test on this filthy SE9 Calibra behind me, and you'll be able to see the results at the end of this video or in person at the Vboa 2022 on Saturday. So there's a bit of just dirt, sort of like where, I don't know, it's almost like if the mechanics had a bit of rust on him from touching the underside of the car, it's just rubbed off on the seat here. Good spray action, like that. Smells good. I can certainly see a difference between these, so I don't know if you can see it in the shot there, but I'll show you on the front seats. Ooh, that smells nice. I like that. I like that a lot. Oh, lemon. That is really nice. Goes on nice. Comes off nice as well. I cannot stand interior detailer that leaves surfaces shiny. As you can see, this one doesn't. The only thing left to do is hoover this mat, and the interior is done. That I love. That's a genius. Look at that. So that's the interior of the car done, and I'm really pleased with those two products. I'm not just saying that, I genuinely am quite impressed with those two. They worked really well. Leathers are looking great, dash is all nice and clean. The most important thing is the inside of the car is now clean, free of all that horrible metal dust from having all the floor repaired. So now it's time to look at the outside of it, and for the exterior of the car I'm using both the wash wax shampoo and also the snow foam as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by snow foaming the whole car dry, hopefully get underneath some of this dirt so I'm not swirling it around all over the paintwork. Rinse that off, then re-snow foam it, and then wash it over with a mitt using the shampoo and wax combined. So all of that will hopefully get the outside of it nice and clean. Blast it off. Oh wow, it's already looking better. Just the shampoo on off has got quite a lot of the dust off it. Now let's give it a proper wash. So the mitt is also from Zirconite, and what I quite like about it is most mitts are just literally fabric. This one inside has got almost like a sponge in her, giving it, you can see like it retains its shape, which I'll be honest, is a lot more comfortable. Right, so that's the outside of it done. I don't know if you can see on the camera, but some of the paintwork is a bit mismatched, to be honest, just where the red has bleached over time. Now if I've got time and I've got my machine polisher here, I'd go over it, but I haven't got it with me and I don't have time today. So all that's left to do now is glass, wheels. Fair play Zirconite, good products, I'm impressed. Ooh, orange. The initial impression is very good. It certainly seems to be getting a lot of the brake pitting off. It's not going to get all of it off, of course, no wheel cleaner will. But it's certainly doing a good job of getting most of it off. Now, these BBS wheels look lovely, but they're a bloody pain in the arse to keep clean. There's too many surfaces on them. Now that the car is almost done, I want to show you some of the work that's gone into this, and I'm dedicating this video to Sean Martin's Restoration and Customs. Without him, this car would not be going to Vboa. In fact, it probably wouldn't be on the road for about 2 years. In the last 2 weeks, he has worked his magic and cut huge sections of the floor. Look at the state of that. That's one piece. Look at this. You see the holes there? This is ridiculous. Another piece there. Just holes all over the place. And rust. I hate rust. It kills old cars. I just hate it. So, a big thank you to Sean Martin, who is a genuinely nice bloke and has done a fantastic job on taking all of these horrible pieces of rust out of the SE9. The underside of this car now probably looks better than the top of it. I know on that video it looks quite nice, but to me it's not perfect, so it's not right. But the underside of it now, no rust. Thank you, Sean. If you'd like to find out more about Sean Martin, I have put a link to him in the description below. Big thumbs up to him, recommended. If you've got a car that's failed its MOT because of many holes, give Sean a call. He's very good and he's not very expensive. Thank you, Sean. And no, before you ask, he didn't do me discount for this YouTube video. He's not sponsored in any way and he's not sponsoring me. This is completely, he didn't ask me to say this, I'm doing it because I appreciate a good man's good work. And that's it, guys. The car is done. All that's left to do is run the detailer over the front ends of those two, which I might even do when I get to the show tomorrow, and just get any dust that's fallen on them while it's been sat in the garage. And this one is all ready to go. Zirconite products? Yes, thumbs up. Quite impressed with those, especially the interior stuff. The interior stuff did really well. The wheel cleaner was also really good as well. So big thumbs up from me for Zirconite. If you want to find out more about them, I'll put a link to them in the description below. All that's left for me to say is thank you very much for watching this video, and if you've watched the series, thank you very much for watching the series. I do hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, underneath this video you'll find a thumbs up, and right next to it there's a subscribe button. Hit that, you'll get a new video from me every week. These are now all off to the Vboa. They're going to be there on Saturday, so hopefully you've watched this video in time and you can come and see all three of them if you want to. If not, don't worry, the video from the Vboa show, the highlights video from Vboa 2022 will be online tomorrow, and then the day after, Sunday, I'm down at Bewley for Simply Japanese. That video is coming up for you on Sunday night. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I'll see you again soon.